Today we're at Big Gant Lake in Sumter County. Big Gant Lake is a public access water body. That means there's a public boat ramp that all citizens and visitors can utilize to access the lake. To get to the lake from the boat ramp, you need to navigate a long tree-lined canal. Several trees have fallen down into this canal, restricting access to the lake. Over time, this debris has accumulated in the canal, increasingly restricting access to the lake. The Water Management District is working with our partners, the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission and Sumter County, to do a debris removal project and restore access to the lake. The FWC is fully reimbursing the Southwest Florida Water Management District for the cost of this project. In addition to accessing the lake from the canal, the Water Management District also has a water control structure on the same canal. Debris in the canal could impact the operational ability of the structure. Contractors are cutting and taking debris to the boat ramp. Sumter County is assisting by loading that debris and taking it away for disposal. The district also works as a cooperator for the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, controlling invasive plants on Gant Lake. This work helps protect natural resources and the natural systems within the lake. Access to the lake is critical for district staff so they can perform these duties. The Water Management District was proud to work with our partners to restore access to Gant Lake so everyone can enjoy this natural resource.